Glam Squad. Today I'm going to be doing a simple date night makeup tutorial. I'm going to first apply the primer, which is Poreless by Tarte. Then I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I use two colors. I use Stud and then I use, is it Spiked? Yes, Spike by MAC. That's the best thing to use for eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows kind of dark. But right now, looking frig up, it gonna come together. It gonna come together. Trust me. Trust and believe in the process when it comes to makeup. Then I'm gonna be using two concealers from MAC. Believe it's NC45 and NC42 to go underneath my eyebrow and just correct and straighten out the eyebrow the best way I can and what fits me. I like to go for an arched look. It's what best suits you and your personality. To me, when I'm doing my eyebrows, I like my eyebrows to pop. Like, that's the first thing I do because it's very lengthy if you're a beginner. And trust me, when your eyebrows pop in, it completes your whole eye look. Listen, you guys, don't beat me up if I mispronounce this name. Soft ochre. I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid, and this is just going to make my eyeshadow go on so much smoother, and it's gonna make the colors pop more. I'm gonna be using a kind of auburn color for my eyelids. I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm sorry, you guys, I didn't show you the palette that I'm using, but I'm using colors from my Tarte palette. It's more of a brown and auburn. So I'm gonna be cutting my crease. The concealer I'm using is NC41 in MAC, and I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I didn't really want to go dramatic with this look because we were just going to the movies. Like I said, it's a simple date night and I didn't want to overdo it. To be blending it out so it can look more even. I hate to see like a harsh cut crease, especially when you're going with a simple everyday glam. I mean, you don't want to take it too harsh. You want to make sure you blend it out and you want to make sure that it fades. I'm going to also be using the e.l.f. gel eyeliner in black. I love, love, love this eyeliner because it gives me that thickness. Like, I love my liquids too, but this makes my eyeliner pop. And with my NYX white, I think it's called Blanco eyeliner as well. I'm gonna apply that on top. You guys, I found these lashes in the store for $7 and they are amazing. They are full, the band is thick. It just gives you that full glam effect and they're reusable. In 370. I'm gonna put that all on my face. The way I like to do my face is I like to complete one side and do the other side after. That's just me. I like to see my work complete on one side. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and the concealer I'm using is NC42 in MAC. I'm gonna put that all underneath my eye. I don't usually put a lot because to me I don't like the creases that can build up underneath your eye, but I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with my translucent powder that I got from the Beauty Bakery. And I'm going to just pat that in. Once that's complete, I'm going to take my MAC finishing powder in dark. And I'm going to just apply that all over. So I'm going to be putting my mascara on. And I did put some Fenty Trophy in my inner corner eye. I'm going to be contouring right now. And for contour, I didn't really go with a dramatic look because it's a simple date night. You don't want to go full out unless you're going out to the club or you're going out for dinner. Then I'm going to take my all-time favorite Gold Deposit from MAC and apply that to my high cheek and then go in with the blush. Working on the other side now, and this side I'm not going to really do that much talking as a tutorial, but I'm just going to go in depth and explain to you guys why I like to complete one side of my face first. I kind of use that one side as a layout or my little cheat sheet because I don't already see how my face is supposed to look. So this is my way of just keeping everything to look the same. And I'm just noticing that I'm having like a mini concert with myself. When you're doing makeup, you got to listen to your jams. You gotta listen to your music. My nose, my forehead, and under the eye. I'm going to be doing this to get the full contour effect. And then I'm going to be blending that out with a beauty blender. Going to also be putting the same translucent powder on those same areas. Then we're going to move on to contouring. We're going to be contouring your cheeks. And I like to put some on my forehead too because I'm insecure about my forehead. I really have a big forehead. So I contour to just kind of slim it down and slim down my face a little bit. That's the whole point of contouring. I'm going to then take a little bit of highlight and put some on my nose, my chin, my higher cheek, and my forehead. Then we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be using a brown lip pencil to line my lips. It may look crazy now, But when we start to blend and we start to use our lipsticks, we're gonna see the true beauty of blending those liners. Then the look is complete once you're done with your lip. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Glam Squad.